And I Shopin Chattopadhyay from DAV Public School MTPS representing West Bengal.
We have participated in district level on 26 September 2022 and got the first position. Then we have been selected for the state level on 6th November and got the golden opportunity to participate in national level also.
Now you please come with us and we will show you our whole project.
This year our title of our project was Natural Dye to Stop Nature Dye, and our project was coming under the focal theme of Understanding Ecosystem for Health and Well-being, and our sub-theme was Ecosystem-Based Approach for Self-Reliance. Without whose guidance our project couldn't complete, she is none other than our guide teacher, Mrs. Vasant Banerjee. As we all know that India has a lots of occasions to celebrate and we give a special importance to them. In all these auspicious occasions, some things are common, that is flowers, fruits and vegetables. Not only in temples, in our daily worship, we use the same. But have we ever thought that what to do with this waste? We have seen that many people used to throw them in river, pond or lake. This pollute the water, and due to the growth of microorganisms, the purity level of water increases. We discussed the matter with our guide teacher and plan to make dyes from this waste, as this process is not so much popular in West Bengal. So if we use this in a large scale, it can be helpful for their village employment also. Now let's come to our objective of our work. Our objectives are making dyes from sacred floral waste, fruit peels and vegetable peels. Our second objective is doing the comparative study with dyed clothes to test the longevity of different types of dyes. Our third objective is to reduce water pollution which occurs due to sacred floral waste. The last but not the least, the fourth objective is making dye and dyeing clothes could help villagers to be self-dependent by earning money. Through this following methodology, we planned our work. At first, we have collected sacred flowers near the pond and fruit peels and vegetable peels from home and neighborhood, as you can see through the picture. Then, we have used two types of modern washed clothes, cotton and synthetic. Then we dipped them in different types of dyes. We have also did the comparative study to test the longevity of different types of clothes. Then we discussed the matter with our villagers and planned to make dyes from this waste, and they can use it in large scale also. To prepare the dyes, we have used the following conditions based on the nature of pigmentation and diffusion in water. As you can see through the start that we have used 100 gram of samples of waste materials in 500 ml of water. The flower samples like hibiscus, marigold and butterfly pea, fruit peels like orange, dragon fruit and pomegranate, and vegetable peels like beetroot, onion and carrot in 500 ml of water. And as you can see through the timetable, these are our time schedule. We have boiled flour in 60 degrees Celsius. The temperature needed for extracting the color from fruit peel is 70 degrees Celsius, and for vegetable peel it is 90 degrees Celsius. And here you can see different types of dyes are kept in the table.
This is the marigold dye. This is the butterfly pea dye. In fruit peels, there is orange peel dye, dragon fruit peel dye, and pomegranate peel dye. In the vegetables, we have carrot peel dye, beetroot peel dye, and onion peel dye.
As I have already told you, we have used two types of moderns like alum and vinegar, and two types of modern washed clothes, cotton and synthetic. Then one by one we extracted the dyes and dipped the clothes in different types of dyes for 24 hours, as you can see through this table.
This dyed clothes we got from sacred flowers, this from fruit peels, and this from vegetable peels.
Now let's come to our result. the maximum longevity has come from flower is marigold, that is 12 in cotton and 9 in synthetic. The maximum longevity has come from fruit peel is pomegranate, that is 8 in cotton and 10 in synthetic. And the maximum longevity has come from vegetable peel is onion, that is 9 in cotton and 10 in synthetic. The minimum longevity has come from orange peel dye and carrot peel dye. Now let's come to our conclusion of our work. Our conclusion are dyes can be extracted from dry flowers, fruit peels and vegetable peels. Our second conclusion is dye extracted from marigold serve maximum longevity in cotton clothes. As very light color has come from orange peel and carrot peel dye, so we have thought to dye the clothes with very light color. Villagers also convinced to use these colors commercially. As we have not got our expected color from onion peel and pomegranate peel dye, so we have prepared a solution to this problem. Our solution is to get the expected color and increase the longevity, we need to select different models for different types of models. I gave them the ideas for painting diyas and they showed me these samples. I also gave them the idea for dyeing the dupatta. And kurta. Now let's come to our future plan. Our future plans are, we are planning to improve the quality and longevity of dye by using different types of models. Our second future plan is, we are also planning to extract dye from leaf pigment. We will make incense stick with leftover flour. According to our future plan, we have prepared dry colors from marigold dye powder and pomegranate peel for playing Holi and for preparing candles. We have also prepared onion peel dye powder for preparing as a food color in cakes and street foods. We have also prepared candles from different dyes. This is from onion peel, this is from pomegranate and this is for marigold. Then we have thought to talk with this matter with Gram Panchayat so they can use it in a large scale as in a context industry also.
We have prepared our project file like this, and this is all of it.
Thank
Thank you for watching us.